What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another tech review. Now, we've all seen these. We know what these are. These are Apple Airpods. You open them up, they connect, they wirelessly charge, the whole nine, right? So, I've actually seen a lot of people, we're all walking around and we got these white things hanging out of our ears, and it gets kind of boring, right? So, Apple is rumored to have some new AirPods coming out. Now, some other companies have actually jumped on the bandwagon and started doing different colors. So I want to introduce to you today Earpods. They're just like AirPods with a little more style. So let's check them out. First off, we want to talk about these because these are kind of new on the market. People are going to say they're fake AirPods or whatever, but the independent company, they call them Earpods. I'm going to drop a link below so you can go and check them out. They come in a bunch of different colors. So they got like green, they got the matte black, and they have the shiny glossy black as well. So what we're going to do now is, first off, let's test out the wireless charging capability. So original AirPods right here, wireless charging, generation 2, there we go, on deck. Matte black, Earpods, right here, charging wirelessly is on deck as well. And the glossy pair, right there, on deck, wireless charging, it's a go. So we got wireless charging, we're good to go with that part. Now, connectivity. So the thing we got to remember is when you're trying to connect these, they should connect just like regular AirPods. I'm going to just do one pair of these. Got the glossy black right here. You open them up and boom, connect. You got to hold that button on the back, just like regular AirPods. And they're going to start connecting, going to start syncing, and boom, there you go. Hit done. So now we got AirPods right here. It gives us the percentage on the case as well as on the earbuds themselves. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do these just for the fun of it. Matte black. There we go. Connect. Hold that button down once again. I probably didn't hold it long enough. Let it connect. They should sync up. And there we go. So I got both sets of these connected right now, giving me the case battery life as well as the earbud battery life. Now, I want you to notice when you put these in your ear, I'm going to just pop them in. They actually look really good in the ear. You can see them. They sound good. They give you the exact same sound that the AirPod would, the little boom that happens every time you put them in. So there we go. Now I don't have the regular white ones just hanging out of my ear. I got those glossy black AirPods right here in my ear. So they are connected. I want to show you that these are going to work with the different tap situations that we have. So first off, I'm going to just open my Google Play Music, and I got some music right here. You're not going to be able to hear this, but I just want to show you that these will work with the gestures. So as far as this goes, music on here, you're going to have to activate the music first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate the music. It's actually playing in my ear. I'm going to take one of these out and the music stops. I'm going to put it back in my ear. Music starts back up. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the track. So double tap over here on the ear. Stops the track. Double tap. It's going to start it back up. A triple tap on the right ear is going to skip the song to the next one. A triple tap on the left ear. So on the left ear, starts that song back over. And you can actually 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's hard to get it to go back a song, but you can, if you can time it right, you can actually go back and skip to that previous song. Now, next thing we want to actually look at is the Siri function. So if you double tap on the left ear, what's the weather like today, Siri? Okay, so you couldn't hear what was going on, but you could see it on the screen. Double tap and it worked. It was perfect. It was flawless. So I recommend these right here. Now, like I said, a lot of people are gonna say these are fake AirPods, but totally independent company. Call them Earpods. They look exactly the same, exactly same size, exactly same weight. They work exactly the same, except you don't get the customization. So what I mean by the customization features is, say we actually go into the settings. So with AirPods, let's see if I can find my actual AirPods. There's their label down here. So I'm gonna actually connect these, and boom. See, so for your AirPods, you're gonna get all these suggestions or these settings that you can turn on. For these Earpods, I'm going to click them. They're both up here. Have them. Make sure we got them connected. Once they're connected, it's going to be the biggest difference in these versus the actual AirPods. You don't get those settings within the actual AirPod itself. So all the settings are built into here. A double tap on the right ear is going to stop the music. A triple tap skips the song. A double tap on the left ear is going to activate your voice operation, Siri, Google, Alexa, whatever you have on your phone. And a triple tap on the left ear is actually going to get you that previous song, or it's going to go back a song. So I'll drop a link below so you can check these out for yourself. These are Earpods. They come in totally different colors: red, green, matte black, glossy black. You can get whatever you want, whatever your flavor is. Go check them out. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Oh, and I didn't mention, this is the box. I've already taken them out a long time ago. Been playing with them. But this is the box, and it comes with a lightning adapter. Now this is not an official lightning adapter, but it will charge. So you got two ways to charge: lightning adapter and wireless charging. They're both on deck for you. And then you just get your normal instructions in the box. Sorry about that part. Save that for last. But Earpods, go by and check them out. And before I forget, they come with this little accessory kit. Comes with a carrying case, terry cloth, carrying bag, and some hooks to put on the actual AirPods itself. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.